Good morning, it's Thursday, and I'm so tired. So tired. I think I'm going to go home and take a little nap. That's what I'm going to do first today. Yeah, let's do it. Well, I managed to have a 2-hour nap, which I can tell you was very, very much needed. And now I'm at the computer and I'm doing a bit of editing. I've just been editing down my video of the other day in order to upload it to the Singles Network. So hopefully that will be able to go up at some point very soon. Please do go and take a look at the Singles YouTube channel, by the way, and it would be great if you would subscribe so we can potentially start doing some live streams over on there. I put it in yesterday's video, but once again, it's this UK_singles. Take a look. There should be some really, really exciting videos coming very soon. Right, I have just received a package by special delivery, and I happen to know what is in this package, but you may not. So I am going to open it live on air for you to discover and enjoy. What could it be? What could it be? Who has sent this package to me? My goodness. I don't know if you could tell from the footage here, but it is sellotaped remarkably well. Oh my goodness. Right. I've got a knife. Let's see if we can get into it without slicing it up. I've got a flap open. I've got a flappy bit now. It's almost like trying to open a Fray Bentos pie tin. Right, I take my glasses off for this. Getting serious. When the glasses come off, you know I'm getting serious. Right, we might need to use a hacksaw or a chainsaw or something. Right, while I'm trying to open it, I'll let you know that I do know that this is from Boaty. Boaty sent this to me. That will give some of you guys a clue, because some of you know what he was sending me if you watch his nightly live streams over on the Boaty's World YouTube channel. There we go. Ooh. It's a nice case. It is an iPhone. Oh, an iPhone with a cracked screen. I wonder if it had a cracked screen before he sent it. I have to check that, because if it didn't, then that might be a problem. I don't remember him saying it had a cracked screen, but it may well have. I mean, it was so well packaged that I can't imagine it's happened in the post unless they've thrown something heavy on top of it. I'll have to check with him actually now. But yeah, an iPhone that is going to help me with doing some live streams, and hopefully it will improve the quality of the footage. So yeah, hopefully there'll be slightly better quality videos coming out at some point. I can't guarantee it. But also, yeah, to help us do the joint live streams, because they stopped working for some reason on my usual Android phone. And we think the problem lies with the fact it's Android. Because when he's done tests, we did various tests, I won't bore you with it, but we found iPhone to iPhone worked, but trying to do it with Android doesn't work. So hopefully, now I've got Boaty's old iPhone, we will be able to get back to doing the joint live streams, which is quite exciting. I've missed them. Miss them very much. I'm going to send him a message now to let him know that it's cracked and to ask him if it was already cracked, because that's worrying me a little bit now, if he didn't know. It was fine. I spoke to Boaty and yeah, the cracks were already in the screen before, so that's all right. It didn't happen in the post. Just on my way to collect little Lemon from school now. And I guess there's going to probably be a park play date afterwards, which often happens. And then go home and, I don't know, do some other stuff. I'm having a nice relaxed day today because yesterday was a bit boring and stressful and tiring. Oh, but I've also this afternoon sent Boaty my video to upload on the Singles YouTube channel, so keep an eye out for that. Right, I have set the phone up and it seems to be working nicely. So whenever Boaty is free, we can do a little test, but it's actually 5:15 now, so he'll probably be on his way to work. But fingers crossed, when we do a test, it will work. That's a test of a joint live stream, of course. I don't think I'm making much sense in this video half the time, am I? I've made a very basic version of Boaty noodles for my dinner tonight. There's a recipe over on his YouTube channel. And I've made it very similar, but I've toned down the spice and there isn't much other than onions in it because it's a low stock day in my kitchen. I've realised I've probably mentioned Boaty constantly throughout this particular video. He's not my boss or anything, I'm not married to him, it's just that for some reason today there seemed to be a need to mention him continuously. If you're not familiar with who he is, I'll link his channel down below, Boaty's World, but I think most of you probably know who he is. But yep, I'm going to go and enjoy his noodles with a twist. Now, I've twisted Boaty's noodles. Oh, hang on, I haven't drizzled some of this on. I like a bit of this sweet soy sauce drizzled over my noodles. And I'm now going to mention Boaty again because I'm working on something to put onto my channel. Basically, I'm editing down our past joint live streams into a sort of a decent sized chunk, and I'm going to put it out on my channel as a video. I do have Boaty's full permission to do this, and I thought that might be quite nice to have like an edited down version, because those live streams go on for well over 2 hours. And I thought if I just edit it down, put maybe the best bits in, it might be an enjoyable watch, perhaps. Okay, it's now 8:10. I've been too engrossed in doing that, and I want to get this video uploaded and edited today. So I'm going to go now, but I will see you on the next video. Bye for now, and